Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to preview your Upwork profile. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. It's quite easy. And right now, we just want to preview our Upwork profile. To do that, what you need to do is simply click on the profile picture at the top right. Just click on it. And from here, as you can see, lots of options have presented themselves. But right now, what we're gonna focus on is simply this button that says Your Profile. Just click on it. And guys, do you know that this right here is our Upwork profile? Well, here are lots of things. You can edit them as well. And right now, we want to see our profile as how the public sees it. Right here, next to profile settings, you'll see a button like this that says See Public View. Just click on the button right here, and as you can see, this right here is our profile from the public's point of view. And guys, that's it. That's how you preview your profile in Upwork. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.